Hey guys, it's Truman from Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we're going to be installing the AVS Bug Deflector today. This thing is super sweet. It changes the look of your truck as well as directs that wind so the bugs aren't smacking against your hood and your windshield. So we're going to get installing this today. It's super easy. We're going to show you all the tools that you need to use and we'll get right into it. Okay, so here's the truck without the AVS Bug Deflector. It's going to go across this whole front section of the hood right here. It's going to come about out to the edge of this hood right here, as well as down this side. Okay, so here's what comes in the kit. It's extremely straightforward. It just comes with the bug deflector right here. It looks super clean. They packaged it up really nice so it doesn't get scraped up in transit. Then on the inside, here's where the hardware is at. So the provided hardware that they give you is super simple. It's just going to come with tabs to push up into the provided holes that already come on the Tacoma. And then you're just going to shoot a screw inside and it's going to hold it very securely. So we'll show you how to do that, break it down for you, but this is all it comes with. Okay, so for this install, all you need is just a handheld screwdriver. We don't recommend using power tools just because you're just screwing into plastic clips and so you can easily strip it out. Just a screwdriver, it's just as quick, you just tighten it up really quick. So, okay, first things first, we just need to pop the hood. We're going to pop it up so we can see access to all the holes that we're going to insert the clips into. We're going to show you where every single one of them is. There's about 6 of them. Okay, now that the hood's up, we can show you where all those holes are. We're going to do 6 of them, 2 on each side and 2 in the middle. Okay, so the 6 holes that we're going to be using are 6 square ones. It's going to be each outside square hole, as well as these 2 in the center and those 2 as well. Okay, so these are the provided clips that come in the kit. They just look like this. They're square as well, and they're just going to slip right into the holes I pointed out, and then we're going to shoot the screw inside. It's pretty simple. So just like I pointed out, just going to stick one on the farthest outside square. They're just going to snap into place, pretty solid. And then the 4 center ones. Okay, so the next step is to put the bug deflector on, but right before I do that, I'm going to show you how it's going to go on because you have to install the screws right after. And so we're going to hold it on, get everything into position, line up the holes underneath, and then throw a washer, a provided washer, onto the screw and screw it into the hole. Remember, don't use power tools, just use the hand tools so you don't strip it. Okay, so I have all my screws lined up with the washers on them just so I can do it one-handed. I also have my screwdriver ready just so I can hold everything up and do it so I don't scratch the paint. Being extra careful. And so I'm going to go ahead and line this up and then shoot in the 2 center ones just so it stays up and I can get the rest. Okay, so that was pretty much the install. We just have one last step. Before, I'm just going to give you a tip. Lightly screw in all the screws. You don't want to go too far. I didn't screw them in all the way at first, just so everything can adjust, get plumb, and then I go ahead and tighten them after. Again, you don't need to over tighten them. Once you have them in and set, they're going to stay there. Okay, so when you're first shutting the hood, you want to make sure that there's enough clearance that when you shut it, it's not going to be rubbing on anything, just for paint protection and longevity of the truck. And so you can go ahead and look right here. First time you shut it, if there's not enough clearance, you're going to untwist this bump stop right here on each side evenly. And so when you shut it, it's not going to interfere with your headlights or your grill or anything like that. Okay, and so the last step is just a precautionary measure that AVS likes to give you. Is these bump stops on the back of the bug deflector. You just stick them on the underside so you'll never see them. But just in case the wind is super heavy or you hit anything, it's gonna press against those and not your paint. And so we'll just show you how to slap those on really quick. Okay guys, so here's the bug deflector installed. It looks super sleek, super sleek. We're gonna give you a full 360 about what it looks like. If you want one of these, just go hit the link in the description below. We appreciate you for watching the video, and if you wanna watch more, hit the like and subscribe button, and then I'll see you on the next one.